Well, it's Saturday morning, it's the 4th of February, and it's the first bike meet of the year for 2023, and we've had a great turnout so far. We've got a great selection of bikes. Adam from Tenerife Triumphs here on his bobber. We've got the Ducatis adventure bikes, racing bikes, nice BMW selection. We've got another nice Triumph there. This is a nice one, it's a Speedmaster. That's a nice bike there. Nice selection of Triumphs. Oh, look, you don't see this every day. That's a MotoGuzzi California 1100cc. That's got to be a few years old, and that's actually in nice condition. That was the MotoGuzzi that everybody went crazy about when they brought them out. Harley Davidsons, of course. We've got Suzuki's, adventure bikes, Yamahas. There's one of our bikes there. That's Triumph, no, sorry, Royal Enfield on rental. Nice Honda Shadow. The Road Glide is what we're out on today. We've got George here on his chopper. Morning, Richard. I'm good. Yeah, great selection of bikes. So we're going to have a good few of us. It's only 11:10, so there's probably room for a few more going to turn up yet. And when they do, we shall start looking at making the route. Between riding in a club and riding with just bikes is very noticeable when you ride in a group, because when we're in clubs, we always used to ride as close together as possible for different reasons, some of them we won't discuss. But when you ride, you know, as a group like this as such, everybody does ride with a lot more space between them, because there isn't that trust in riders that you would have when you're club riding. And it's quite difficult sometimes to just make sure that everybody stays together. And you're not spending too much time in the rear mirror instead of on the road. Coastal today, reason being up on Teide it's about 5 degrees, if not colder. They have forecast a bit of snow up there as well, so it's probably not the best road to take 35-40 bikes on. fresh today, but it's a great day for riding, as all days are in the island of Tenerife. Well, busy day. Just got a few more just coming. We've just arrived down at 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗄𝗏. Oh, but they've gone to the wrong one. I'll have to sort that out in a moment with them. So there's a few down. And we're down now at 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗄𝗏, where we're just going to finish off with maybe a beer. There's no police about. But shandy, very light shandy.